Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we are going to disassemble a drone and explore its internal components step by step. Before starting the disassembly, let's check if the drone is working properly. We will power it on and test the propellers, camera, and motors. As you can see, the drone is responding well to the remote, and all functions are working fine. Now that we have confirmed everything is functional, let's begin taking it apart carefully. The first step in disassembling the drone is to remove the propellers. Propellers are essential for lift and stability, and they are attached using small screws. We will use a precision screwdriver to unscrew the propeller locks. Each drone may have different locking mechanisms, so ensure you are using the correct tool. Once the screws are loosened, gently pull out each propeller. It is important to be careful while handling propellers, as they can be fragile. Now, all 4 propellers have been removed successfully. Next, we will start working on opening the drone's main body. Drones have multiple screws securing the top and bottom shells together. We need to locate all the screws, which are usually found near the edges and on the arms of the drone. Using a screwdriver, we will begin removing them one by one. Make sure to keep the screws in a safe place so that they don't get lost. Once all the screws are removed, we can proceed to the next step. After unscrewing, we need to separate the top and bottom parts of the drone's body. The drone's arms contain the motors, and each motor is connected to the mainboard through wires. These connections are crucial for motor control, allowing the drone to balance and move in different directions. We will carefully unplug each motor wire one by one. Now, let's focus on the brain of the drone, the main controller, MC. It is usually located at the center of the drone and is secured with screws or clips. We will carefully remove the screws holding the MC in place and then detach any connected cables. The camera is one of the most important components in a drone, especially for aerial photography and video recording. Drone cameras are usually connected to the mainboard via a ribbon cable or a plug-in connector. We will carefully unplug the camera connection before removing it from its mount. Some cameras have additional screws securing them, so we need to check for those and remove them as well. The 3.7-volt 600 mAh rechargeable battery is a lightweight, compact power source ideal. Now that we have disassembled the drone, let's talk about the advantages of using drones in various fields. Drones are widely used in photography and videography, allowing us to capture breathtaking aerial shots. In the field of surveillance, drones help in monitoring large areas efficiently. They are also used in disaster management and search and rescue operations to locate missing persons or assess damage. Agriculture is another sector benefiting from drones, as they help in crop monitoring and spraying fertilizers. Drones are also used in delivery services, where companies are testing drone-based package delivery systems. So, this was a complete step-by-step disassembly of a drone. We explored each component, from the propellers to the camera and main controller. Understanding the internal structure of a drone helps in repairing, upgrading, or even building one from scratch. I hope this video was informative and helpful to you. If you liked the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.